ride for you boys in Maryland, man. Shout out to my subscribers who left a comment saying they need help finding some gigs, signing some van jobs, finding some delivery jobs in Maryland. So, I got you. I'm going to do a long form video about how I actually find these companies, help you guys out. So make sure you tune in later on this afternoon for that video. But for now, we got the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 companies, top 8 companies for Maryland. Of course, number 1, we got American Expediting. These guys are everywhere. All you got to do is come to an independent contract as needed. It's going to ask you to go ahead and find the jobs. These people are everywhere. You should have no problem finding work in your area. Let's see, Maryland. Where's a city in Maryland? Maryland. Baltimore. No, Baltimore got to be on here. Baltimore, past the B's. Yep, Baltimore. What else in Maryland? And Hyattsville somewhere, possibly. But yeah, that's American Expediting. They got all type of places. Washington, D.C. as well. They're everywhere. Next, we got Excel Courier Group. So, they are a courier last mile logistics company. Do dedicated deliveries, medical courier services. They do it all. So you come here, drive for Excel, get a little overview, what they're looking for, one-step application. Go here to apply, direct deposit, make your own schedule, driver application week in advance, up to $1,200 to refer people, self-employed, commission-based, independent contractors delivery. Not sure what commission-based mean, but yeah, that's Excel Courier for you guys, people who love the road. You can see the phone number, email address. So after you apply, you're going to call and email them, say, hey, I applied, I'm looking to hit the road, I got my van ready, let's go. Next, LaserShip. Ooh, this LaserShip video is blowing up. I appreciate you guys checking out my LaserShip video. Y'all can see the long form and get more details about this company on that video. I'm going to leave a link to that one right above your head right now. You can click on that LaserShip, but you see they're pretty much everywhere. That's LaserShip. Definitely in the Maryland, Baltimore area. Next, we got T-Force. This is another large final mile carrier company. They operate pretty much everywhere in the country as well. As you see on the T-Force map, they got all the places you want to be. So don't be afraid in getting hooked up with them. If you want to drive, go to contact, opportunities, US, and then you kind of see, your location, where you at. So Maryland, they got a Jessup. We got somewhere in Jessup for you, all right? All right. Next, we got Delmont Logistics. And, of course, I'm going to leave a link to every one of these companies. All 8 of these companies are going to be a link in the description. So this is kind of a newer company. Website looks a little sketchy. So, they don't have the most money behind them, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. They could be focusing on paying their drivers and not on web presence, but you never know. But definitely worth trying out. The application not even on here, so what you'll have to do is just go to home or find some contact information, leave this little form here, tell them that you're trying to, not need a delivery, but trying to deliver for them, and then info at Delmont Logistics is their email address. Go ahead and give them an email, give them a phone call, say, hey, how can I apply for you guys? I see the careers link is down on your website, but I'm interested. Next, we got Falcon. Maryland area. Let's see if we can see exactly where they're at. Here they're covering North Carolina all the way up to New York, Washington, D.C., Virginia, Maryland. Headquarters in Beltsville, Maryland. So if you're close to Beltsville, Indian Creek Court, man, pull up on them with your van. Tell them, hey, man, I'm ready to roll. And then we got coming down to the last 2, Global Messenger and Logistics. These companies are hiring in the Maryland area. So you want to go ahead and get on in with them. They do shipping, medical, warehouse, moving, everything you need. They do, and they need drivers. So you can contact them, and they are part of the CLDA, and this is one of the resources I use to find these carrier companies. I'm going to do a long form video about that later today, so make sure you hit that notification bell, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything I got to offer on this Be Your Own Boss channel. And then join the team. There you go. You can join the team. They need name, email address. I wouldn't give them the social up front. I would just put, anything in there. And then once you actually get hired and start the official paperwork, then I will go ahead and give them the accurate social security number. But I would give them your driver license. They can do a preliminary MRV check and make sure you're good. And then previous work history. So if you don't have any, actual work history in the transportation business, I will put my Uber, Lyft, DoorDash experience. Your supervisor is yourself. So, I will put that, finesse it, make yourself look good. And if you got a resume, you can upload that. They got all the stuff. They ready. They really looking for people. Go ahead and try Global out. And then last but not least, Swift Logistics. They are here to, offer time-critical delivery and logistics, same day, expedited, box truck, medical courier, all that stuff. Here's the contact form. There is no meet the team. And there's no form for employment. But like I said, we don't let that stop us. We got the address. We got the phone numbers. We got email addresses. We got forms here you can fill out. Email addresses, you know what they're about. We got LinkedIn. Hit them up on LinkedIn. Yes, sir. So you see what it is. You see what it is, what it ain't, what it gonna be. So that is the Maryland video. We got all the cities of Maryland: Hyattsville, Beltsville, down to DC area, up in Bmore. So we got all the places in between. So go ahead and check it out. Like, share this with all your Baltimore friends as well. All right. Yes, sir. Boss up, boss up, boss up.